Magnetic compass calibration. Quickly flip the mode switch 6 times. When the status indicator flashes alternately red and blue, rotate the aircraft horizontally and gently by 360 degrees. When the green light is always on, the horizontal calibration is completed. The aircraft head is vertically downward. Wait until the traffic lights flash cyclically. Rotate the aircraft gently 360 degrees again until the status indicator stops flashing, the blue light is always on, and the vertical calibration is completed. Restart the UAV. Add coolant. Add coolant to maximum on the mark of the coolant tank. Check the oil circuit for air. Press the air bubble to expel the air inside. If there is no response to the pressing, you need to re-energize the oil pump to restart the work. Start the engine on the remote controller. The green light of the engine flashes slowly, and the engine can be ignited normally. The 3-stage switch of the engine is toggled from the far left to the far right to unlock, then toggled to the far left, and then slowly toggled to the middle to start the engine.